Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on the Call of Duty game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Call of Duty game on your device, and once the game is opened up, you might be asked to log into your account using your credentials. After logging in, you will be taken into the main menu, and from this main menu, if you wish to change your username, you can tap on your user ID at the top left corner. Now from your user ID page, tap on Basic and you will see your user account and an edit icon at the right side of your name. Tap on this edit icon and now you will be allowed to change your username. You can enter a maximum of 14 characters, and this will also cost an in-game currency for you. If you have already changed your name before, then you might also need to wait for a few days until you will be allowed to change your name. So just type in the name that you want to use and then tap on the change button, and your name on the Call of Duty game will immediately be changed. You can come back to this menu and tap on the same option and change your name after the displayed time has passed by using an in-game card. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your name on the Call of Duty mobile game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.